Welcome back, students. Study time now. Students, keep your active English book ready with you. Okay. Okay. So, students, just have a look at the screen. I'll read few sentences from the screen. Just pay attention. I last had a good sleep when I went to Uti on Sunday. The next, I have not had a good sleep since I went to Uti. Next, I have not had a good sleep since Sunday. Now, students, understand that I have read 3 sentences. Okay. Now look at the first sentence. I last had a good sleep when I went to Uti on Sunday. And the next, I have not had a good sleep since I went to Uti. Next, I have not had a good sleep since Sunday. Now, try to make out the difference between those sentences. In the first sentence, can you see in bracket I have written positive? Can you understand why I have written? Do you know why I have written positive? Because there is no negative word in that sentence. You will not find a not or a no or never. Negative sentence, a word is not there in that particular sentence. Look at the next sentence. There I have written negative. So because we have started it as I have not had, it's a negative sentence. Look at the third sentence. I have not had a good sleep. Again, it's a negative sentence. So the first sentence is positive and the next 2 sentences are negative. And one more thing you can understand is there is you will find that the first sentence is a plain positive sentence. The next 2 sentences I have used a negative sentence as well as I have made use of the word since. Okay. Without changing the meaning of the first sentence, based on the first sentence, I am supposed to make a negative sentence making use of the word since. So, today in Active English, chapter 7, we are going to do this topic. Okay, chapter. So, open your Active English book, chapter 7. Here we have Active English, chapter 7. Be ready with your, I am sure you have opened that page, chapter 7. Okay. Now, read the question. Finish each sentence in 2 ways using since. Just understand the question. Finish each sentence in 2 ways using since. You remember in the first slide I showed you 3 sentences. The first sentence was the question. That's using that sentence you have to write 2 sentences making use of the word since. Now, here you have the first one. I last had a good meal when I went to quality restaurant on Tuesday. This is the first question. Okay. Now making use. Now here you just understand there is no negative word here. And it's I last had a good meal when I went to quality restaurant on Tuesday. Now you have to make two sentences making use of the word since without changing you have to write it in the negative sentence without changing the meaning of the first sentence. Now just have a look. I have not had a good meal since I went to quality restaurant. Since I have made use of the word since, I have not mentioned, I have mentioned the place, but I have not mentioned the day, particular day, when exactly when I had been there. So in the first sentence, understand, I have not had a good meal since I went to quality restaurant. Just please write, students, I have not had a good meal since I went to quality restaurant. The spellings you can, it is already there in the question, so copy the spellings correctly. The first sentence you have it's a negative sentence making use of the word since without changing the meaning. We have written it in this manner. I have not had a good meal since I went to quality restaurant. Second, now the next one more way we have to write, that is, I have not had a good meal since Tuesday. We have not mentioned here about the place. We have just mentioned the day when we had been there. Okay, so this is how we have made it in two different ways, making use of the word since. Write the second sentence. I have not had a good meal since Tuesday. Shall I move forward, students? Here I come to the next one. Here is a question. I last saw a snake when we went to Ranchi in June. Now here the place is also mentioned and the month is also mentioned, when you had last been to, when you had last seen a snake. Okay, so look at the question, understand the question once again. I last saw a snake when we went to Ranchi in June. This is a proper positive sentence. Now you are supposed to write two negative sentences without changing the meaning of this sentence, making use of the word since in two different ways. So let us just have a look here, students. I have not seen a snake since we went to Ranchi. Here we did not mention about the month. So students, please write, I have not seen a snake since we went to Ranchi. Write the spellings correctly. Now the second sentence. I have not seen a snake since you have to write the month, since June. I repeat, I have not seen a snake since June. Finished, students? Can we move forward? Here we have the next question. We last had a swim when my uncle took us out in his boat last year. We last had a swim when my uncle took us out in his boat last year. Now here again the place, how you traveled in a boat or an aeroplane or whatever, that is mentioned, as well as the time which year you had gone, that is also mentioned. So the information is given in the question. Now just check, try to write the answer, students. We have not had a swim since my uncle took us in his boat. We did not mention when we had gone there. The first sentence is this way. We have not had a swim since my uncle took us in his boat. Shall I say the second one? Next answer. The next answer, we have not had a swim since last year. You're writing, here you're mentioning the period when you had been last. So we have not had a swim since last year. Finished writing, students? I hope you're writing. Don't make spelling mistakes. Write neatly, neat handwriting. Don't make the book dirty. Keep the books clean. Next. Here we have the next question. I last went to hospital when I broke my arm in February. I last went to hospital when I broke my arm in February. Here. Now, I am sure you will be able to write this. Come on, try, students. I have not been to the hospital since I broke my arm. You're not mentioning when you had last been there. You're not mentioning the month. Only one part of the answer you'll write, making use of the word since. I have not been to the hospital since I broke my arm. Next, I have not been to the hospital since February. Here you're not mentioning the problem what you had, that you are not mentioning. You're just mentioning I have not been to the hospital since February. Write the spellings correctly. I have not been to the hospital since February. Yes, now we move to the next. Next question. We last saw a teacher when she said goodbye to us at the end of the last term. We last saw a teacher when she said goodbye to us at the end of last term. Now, try, students, try. We have not seen our teacher since she said goodbye to us. We are not mentioning about the period time. Okay. We have not seen our teacher since she said goodbye to us. We have not seen our teacher since she said goodbye to us. Now the second part of the answer. We have not seen our teacher since the end of the last term. You're writing since here you're mentioning the period. We have not seen our teacher since the end of the last term. Finished writing, students? Shall we move ahead? Yes, we have the another next one. I last ate an orange when my mother gave me one on my birthday. I last ate an orange when my mother gave me one on my birthday. This is a question. Come on, start writing properly without making mistake. You know now how you are supposed to write. Yes, I have not eaten an orange since my mother gave me one. I have not eaten an orange since my mother gave me one. Here you did not mention when you had eaten it. Now the next part of the answer. I have not eaten an orange. Here you are mentioning the period. Since my birthday. I have not eaten an orange since my birthday. Here. Can we move ahead, students? Okay. On your screen, you have the next sentence. He last read a book when his father gave him one at Christmas. He last read a book when his father gave him one at Christmas. Come on, try, students. He has not read a book since his father gave him one. You did not mention about the time when you had last read that book. Okay. He has not read a book since his father gave him one. He has not read a book since his father gave him one. Now the second part of the answer. He has not read a book since Christmas. He has not read a book since Christmas. Okay, students, now we will move to the next part of that chapter. Here you have the question, choose the answer which makes a sentence with the same meaning. Understand the question, choose the answer which makes a sentence with the same meaning. This looks like a multiple choice question. Now on your screen, just have a look in your book also. You are supposed to choose the answer based on the first sentence given. The first sentence, I saw him 2 weeks ago. This is the based on this sentence you are supposed to choose the answer. Now, I have not seen him. I have not seen him. Option A, it is 2 weeks. B, for 2 weeks ago. C, since 2 weeks. D, for 2 weeks. E, 2 weeks gone. So based on the first sentence given, the option obviously has to be I have not seen him since 2 weeks. Option C, since 2 weeks. There is a small box. There are small boxes given there. You have to put a tick inside the box. I'm sure you are doing it. Can we move to the next? Okay. She has not been to the cinema for 3 years. She has not been to the cinema for 3 years. Now, here you have, she last went to the cinema for 3 years. Option A. Option B, since 3 years. Option C, 3 years ago. Option D, for the past 3 years. Option E, it is 3 years. Now, according to the sentence given, your answer has to be she last went to the cinema. That is option C. She last went to the cinema. Option C, 3 years ago. Just put a box in that C, option C box. Put a tick inside that box. Have you done it, students? Can I move ahead? Here we come to the next one. He came to school on Monday, but he has not come since then. Okay. Monday he had gone to school. After that he had not gone. So that is the meaning. He came to school on Monday, but he has not come since then. Now, he has come to school. He has not come to school dash Monday. So what should be the correct since? Since B after, C before, D for, E from. So the answer has to be, he has not come to school after Monday. So this is option B. Option B. Put a tick in that box. B after. The answer should be after. Done, students? We'll move to the next. On your screen, I last saw Maya when she came to our flat a week ago. Now, based on this sentence, I have not seen Maya, option A, since she came to our flat. B, since a week. C, for a week. D, after a week. E, before she came to our flat. Now, based on the first sentence, the answer has to be, I hope you know. Are you thinking? Find the answer. I have not seen Maya. The option has to be since she came to our flat. I have not seen Maya. That is option A. Since she came to our flat. I have not seen Maya. Option A. Since she came to our flat. Have you put a tick? Okay. Shall we move ahead? Now, the children have not done any homework for 4 days. Children have not done any homework for 4 days. Understand now this sentence. The children last did some homework. Option A, 4 days ago. B, since 4 days. C, after 4 days. D, in 4 days. E, for 4 days. Now, which should be the correct option, students, according to the first sentence given? The children last did some homework. Yes, you're right. Option A, 4 days ago. That is option A, 4 days ago. So, students, you have you written? In that box, you put a tick. Okay. So here we come to the end of this chapter, Active English. Students, I hope you have written all the answers properly. Please see these videos again and again, students. And I would like to add here, now, students, I would like to mention one thing, that you must be having your value education book with you. Now, value education books, you are supposed to do self study, means you are supposed to read the chapters, okay, and the questions are given, you have to supposed to find the answers, read it, understand it, and the exams will be conducted like how in the multiple choice question type exams will be conducted. For that, no need of getting worried about it. Those will be like just how you gave this exam, last exam, 20 marks, same type of questions will be there for value education. So you, on regular basis, please do study and read that value education book also. The portion is all given in the textbook only, okay, you can refer that. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice day, students.